Hello everyone, I am here to discuss the assessment to lesson 5. Saya di sini akan berdialog tentang memesan makanan untuk dibawa pulang. Dwi, excuse me, waiter, how may I help you? Dwi, I want to make a takeaway please. Waiter, what menu do you want to take away, miss? Dwi, I want two seafood, pad day, and two orange juice. Waiter, okay, so it's two seafood, pad day, and two orange juice, and listen, miss. Dwi, where can I take the order? Waiter, you can take it at the cashier after payment and please wait about 15 minutes. Okay, thank you. Waiter, you are welcome.